here should be unlocked, here should be open, and here change the count number. Count number, for example, 25. If it's 25, the bag will change to 460. And here is 25 pieces for the packet. And then you can start. You can start the machine to check the machine is working. If you want to pack 50 pieces, and the film change to 700 millimeter. Count to the left, count to 50 pieces, and the film bag, the bags 700, and here should be open. And then you can start. Press start the machine, and here is auto count. 没关系，先注意的。Because there is the low caps coming, so here stop. Sensor detects since there is low caps here, then machine stop. And okay, here is the machine for the working sample. Normally others load the change. Only clear the film bag maybe need to change. 先不用丢点了，先不用点了。